In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to teleport to a village in Minecraft, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by making sure cheats are enabled in your Minecraft, and then you are going to type in the following command in your text box. /locate and structure, and type in village, and there's going to be a couple options. Let's say I just want it in the plains, so I'm going to click on enter, and as you can see it says the nearest Minecraft village in the plains is at these coordinates. So then once you've found those coordinates, you're going to do /teleport, and then you are going to actually type in the coordinates that are needed. So for example, for this one, I'm going to type in 752. I can type in anything for the other coordinate since it did not give me one. And then I'm going to type in -528. Now, as you can see, it has teleported me to these coordinates, and unfortunately I was teleported underground, but I can just mine my way out in the exact block that I have been teleported in. And once I actually mine my way out, I will be able to see that there is a village that I have been teleported to. As you can see, it works. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.